Good evening, all. Myself, Dr. Swapna from I'm E2135 C2 batch. I'm going to explain about the how to use this IUI cannula, and here you should not directly take the sample from the syringe. You should connect the cannula with the syringe first, and then only have to take the sample. About 0.4 ml can take it.
Why can't you do it directly?
Yeah,
Because you fill the syringe first, then what happens?
there will be there's a dead space.
Okay.
That dead space you should not.
Sample is
Sample.
So very important that we always attach the cannula and then we
Take the.
This is a lesson, very, very important. And why is it important? Because we find it very simple now. But when we practice, an embryologist normally gives us a tube. Samples are prepared in some other lab. Understand? Lot of times it happens. It's not allowed per se. But samples are prepared in the laboratory and they give you a IUI cannula and this thing. So what you do is you are not aware of, and nurse will load the sample, attach the cannula. For a beginner, it's a common problem. 30% of doctors do like that. So you lose the semen sample. So always attach the cannula,
And then
fill it,
take the.
and then only carry out IUI. And dead space will be around 0.2
0.2
cc, 0.2 ml in every case. Done?
Okay.
Yeah. Fantastic.
Generally, they give us the loaded IUI cannula to us, and just to.
Absolutely.
But that should be done by us only at that time.
Yeah, they should open the cannula in front of you. You should open the cannula. They should get the sample in a tube. See,
Hello, I'm Dr. Mushrafa and I have come for hands-on training from batch C2 135 batch. So here we can see this is an IUI kit, and this kit contains one IUI cannula. As you can see, this is a IUI cannula, and with this we attach a syringe, and this is IUI cannula with a syringe attached to it. And now we have seen how to load this.
no, length of the cannula.
Length of the cannula is
15.
Turn around.
15 centimeters. 15 or something.
Yeah, read that.
15 centimeter. Length of this IUI cannula is 15 centimeter, straight IUI cannula.
Keep reading, keep reading.
And
Read.
What is it?
So I wanted to read because it's very important to know how these cannulas are made. They're made of polyethylene,
polyethylene.
17 centimeter. It can be straight or curved. It is ethylene oxide
Sterilized.
Looks very simple, but this is the backbone of the whole thing. The cost is 150 rupees. You'll get for rupees 15 in case you bargain. Depending on what you want to do. I'm just repeating. It is a firm cannula, ethylene oxide, EO oxide, sterilized. It is a 15 centimeter straight cannula, and these cannulas have got the capacity that it's got a very beautiful Lear lock. And this is what they've also written. It's got a linear lock fitting. So this is the. Do you understand this? So, in case I do, I am rotating. So it is a Lear lock. It is a male Lear lock. It is a female Lear lock. And one way that we just go and press it. But here, once we have a male and female, and they just insert. That is one method. This is the rotating Lear lock. This is a better cannula where in case you just attach and then it will fall off. Are you understanding this?
Yes.
It is a
Rotating
screw type of Lear lock. Everything is important for this. Okay? Sure. Come. And what is this for?
This is for external loss.
Stop. Very good. Very good. Okay, go ahead.
These are 2 test tubes which are provided with the kit. It can be used for centrifugation, and then we have 2 pipettes. 2 pipettes are there.
How many ml pipettes are
3 ml pipettes, 2 3 ml pipettes,
Polyethylene 3 ml pipettes.
in individually wrapped, and sterile pipettes, and we have
And the tubes are screw lock tubes. Your tubes are
Test
4 ml conical
Conical
polyethylene tubes
polyethylene
with a
15
screw
ml
cap. This is
screw
important.
cap.
You don't have plug cap. These things are very critical when you buy your equipment. Polystyrene is very expensive.
These are glass slides and cover slips provided. 2 glass slides and 4 cover slips are provided in this kit. And this is a separate gamete collection jar. This is made specially for gamete collection, and it is a screw mouth jar.
Wide mouth.
Wide mouth screw with screw capped sterile wide mouth sperm collection jar.
Yeah, and that is made up of polypropylene.
Polypropylene is made up of polypropylene.
How is it sterilized?
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Pallavi Das. I have joined the C2135 IUI training course, and today I am going to explain about this metallic sound. Sometimes what happens that during this procedure of IUI, we have to negotiate through the cervical os. So if there is any difficulty, what we can do, we can use this metallic sound, which is like very flexible and very soft and won't cause any injury, because the routine sound is very solid and it may damage the endometrium or do injury. But this is very soft and we can easily negotiate through, and it helps in the IUI procedure. And what we do is, for cleaning purpose, instead of putting it from back side, we have to put it from the front area so that it is cleaned properly, like I'm showing. So then after cleaning it, then we have to autoclave it, and
After cleaning, take a syringe.
take a syringe.
Again, the lever lock.
Sorry.
So take 50 ml syringe and then push through it. And then you autoclave.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, super. And you take the mic.
Hello, I'm Dr. Dvitya Modi, and I'm right now in batch 135 C2 IUI batch. So these are the semen preparation media. They are available in different kind of container, like they have like in glass ampules also, and vials also. So this is a hippies buffer media. This is in a light pink color. So it is an acidic and it contains phenol red.
It goes in phenol red.
Phenol red.
And when the CO2 escapes, it becomes alkaline.
Alkaline.
And when alkaline it becomes?
Because of amber color.
When it becomes acidic, it becomes alkaline.
Alkaline.
When the CO2 escapes, it becomes alkaline.
Yes. Bright.
And when
Yes.
it gets infected,
Infected.
then it becomes
Acidic. Okay. Brown. Okay.
फंडामेंटल्स का भी मत बोलना, बड़ी सबके सब इसी को देख रहे हैं, कितने का भैया क्या करता है ये, कुछ नहीं काम आने वाली चीजें, फंडामेंटल्स को कोई मत छोड़ो.
And these two are the double media used for the double density preparation media, and this is 90 and this is 45. Normally in double density, we always keep the higher density in a lower part and the lower density in the upper part.
Yes. That's all. Catch. In case you use a double density,
Yeah.
it can be 80-40 or
Yeah.
90-45.
90-45.
What is the packing strength? Packing strength क्या होती है? 45 or 90. Packing volume.
1 ml. 1 ml. 1 ml. 1. No. 1 ml. 1 ml.
1 ml.
Yes.
And when you're using a single density media, it's 55.
2 ml.
Wow.